Welcome, in front of me I have Realme X7 Max, and today I'll show you how you can find and manage sound settings in the smartphone. So the first, we have to simply open the settings, and next we have to scroll down to the sound and vibration. When we are here, we can adjust vibration, so we can activate or deactivate vibration on the ring. We can also adjust vibration intensity for ring, notification, and on the touch by moving simply this switchers. Here we can quickly change sound mode from ringing, vibrate to silent mode. In this place we got volume level from the media, ringtone, notifications, and the alarms. Below we can change volume button function, so we can control media or ringtone volume by clicking volume button function. We can activate or deactivate do not disturb mode, and when you click here you can also customize this mode. So we can set schedules, restrict notifications or messages, whatever you want. You can change your ringtone. You can pick from the custom also, from the recording on music, selecting, then going back, and that's it. The same for the notification sound. Here we can find more sounds and the haptics, like a lock screen sound, screenshot sound, the touch sound or vibrate on the touch. So as you can see, there's a lot of things that we can customize. We can also reduce notification feedback on the full screen. Here we got the Dolby Atmos, so we can go for environment profile or scenario specific profile. So we can pick like that and then listen and pick what you want. In the other settings, we can find the default recorder and inner monitoring. You can enable or disable, and here you got description of this option. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.